Hey friends, if Microsoft Excel displays high CPU usage when running on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now the first resolution is to download and install updates for Microsoft Office, and how would we do that? So I have Excel here, click on File and then go to the info section, and then you'll find this issue for version history, and you can also go to account and then click on update options and then select update, and it will start updating Microsoft Office, not just Excel but all of Microsoft Office applications. The second solution is to delete local files for Excel. Now for that you will have to terminate Excel as a process, and then you will have to press the Windows key and the R button together, type percentage app data percentage and hit enter. Go to Microsoft, right click on Excel and then click on delete. And the last solution is to use Microsoft Excel in safe mode and disable all add-ins. So press the Windows key and the R button together and type Excel space / safe and hit enter. Wait, I'll show you again. And then it opens Excel in safe mode. Click on File, Options, Add-ins, and then change this to COM add-ins. Click on Go. Check all of these, select OK. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.